Introduction to PHP Artisan Serve. It is a command line tool for starting a local development server in PHP. It allows PHP developers to test their code before deploying it to a live server. The serve command is available in Laravel, a popular PHP web framework that is built on top of the Symfony console component. Overview of PHP 7.4 and its features. PHP 7.4 is the latest stable release of PHP and comes with new features and improvements. Notable features include typed properties, arrow functions, spread operator in arrays, null coalescing assignment operator, and improved performance. These features make PHP 7.4 a great choice for building modern web applications. Setting up a development environment for PHP Artisan Serve. Before using PHP Artisan Serve, a development environment needs to be set up. The article recommends using XAMPP, a free and open-source cross-platform web server solution. Install XAMPP and start the Apache and MySQL services to get started. Starting a local development server with PHP Artisan Serve. With XAMPP installed and running, a local development server can be started using PHP Artisan Serve. To start the server, open a terminal or command prompt, navigate to your project directory, and run the command php artisan serve. This command will start a local development server at h/localhost 8000. Understanding the basics of file I/O in PHP. File I/O, or input-output, is a crucial aspect of PHP development. PHP has built-in functions for reading and writing files, such as fopen, fwrite, and fclose. These functions allow developers to manipulate files on the server and can be used to store data, write logs, and more. Configuring the web server with PHP. PHP can be configured to work with different web servers, such as Apache and Nginx. To configure PHP to work as a module, add a line to your web server configuration file that loads the PHP module. To configure PHP to work as a CGI, add a line to your web server configuration file that specifies the location of the PHP CGI binary. Building a PHP application with a local server. With the local development server up and running, a PHP application can be built. Create a new Laravel project using the command Laravel new my project. Navigate to the project directory and start a local development server using PHP Artisan Serve. Tips and tricks for using PHP Artisan Serve. Use the port option to specify a different port number for the server. Use the host option to specify a different host for the server. Use the quiet option to suppress output from the server. Troubleshooting common errors with PHP Artisan Serve. Address already in use error can be fixed by stopping the process using the port or using a different port number. The command PHP Artisan Serve failed error can be fixed by running Composer install or Composer update. Conclusion and resources for further learning. PHP Artisan Serve is a powerful tool for PHP developers that simplifies local development. Developers can test and debug their code by deploying it to a live server using this tool. Recommended resources for learning more about PHP and Laravel include PHP official website, Laravel official website, Laracasts, and Stack Overflow.